So here is the second day that we are in the offices and showroom Pemtron. But in this time, we're gonna record with Kevin. Kevin, how you doing, sir?
I'm doing great. Welcome to our office. Yes.
Yeah, well, thank you very much. Yesterday, I had a conversation with Jaime, and he told me, "Hey, Kevin is flying right now, so
Yes.
he's gonna arrive to Guadalajara, and I wanted to talk with him
Okay.
because I know you are having Pemtron for Americas, for Mexico. So how you feel? How's everything going?"
Uh, so Pemtron is as all of you know, it's a Korean-based company. Our headquarters is located in Seoul, Korea.
Yeah.
And I'm personally belonging, based in the Los Angeles, but I am working for HQ to be
Yeah.
in charge with all the global sales activities for Pemtron.
Yeah.
So I came to Mexico yesterday to have an annual party with all the staff in Mexico office
Yeah.
to respect their effort and the result that we have on this year.
Yeah, I think that is very valuable,
Okay.
to
Okay.
have this proximity with
Okay.
your team.
Mhm.
Because actually, yesterday, all the conversations that we had, everything was about, how they are having this approach
Mhm.
with the customer,
Mhm.
creating this record,
Mhm.
creating this sense of pertinence with them.
Mhm.
And I think it's a philosophy
Mhm.
which is going down in waterfall,
Yes.
starting with you,
Mhm.
then Jaime, I see Juan Alvarado, I see Sarah, I see all the team
Mhm.
with the same philosophy. And I
Okay.
think that is very congruent to going forward with the customers, right?
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, eh, we used to talk more about support,
Mhm.
right?
Mhm.
And more about the commercial side,
Mhm.
how you merge between and how you provide with real service.
Okay.
So what do you think about it?
Okay, I've been in this industry for close to, it's already more than 20 years. I started from a field service engineer,
Yes.
and then now I'm in charge of the sales. So I know how important or the natural demand from the customer in this electronic industry is to have the secure support from their supplier. So that's how we manage all the local organizations. Especially the Mexico is a very our important region.
Yeah.
Uh, so we put a lot of effort and the investment towards the engineering. So all the engineers that we have in each region
Yeah.
is based on the key customer on that city, and then we provide the really top-notch training to
Yeah.
provide the support by their own. That's
Yeah.
our target is.
Yeah,
Yes.
I think that is key,
Okay.
and more about that is congruent with the idea of proximity that I was talking about. So I see also that probably with this closing of 2024,
Mhm.
we're having different challenges, right?
Mhm.
We had elections over here in
Yes,
Mexico, also in the
exactly.
US.
Mhm.
So everything we expect to move everything forward. But how you see everything? How is this challenging for Pemtron? Tell
It
me
is
more
very
about
challenging right now. We're facing a tough year with a new government in U.S. The current administration and then a new administration. No one predicted what could be the major changes.
it.
Uh, it may be a good effect, or it can be another cold
Yeah.
year for everybody.
Yeah.
So we're prepared. We're trying to maintain the cash flow, and then organization, and then all the expenses low in low level.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I think talk about finance
Yes.
is a huge topic,
Yes.
right?
Mhm.
And but important because you don't know how gonna be everything for 2025.
Mhm.
Let's see. We expect to don't have too many tariffs, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
But it is what it is.
Yes.
We should have to adapt, I guess, in the coming year. Yeah. So the last one, Kevin.
Mhm.
What's next for Pemtron? Because I know you have several plans on the
Mhm.
table,
Mhm.
but what is the idea? What is the roadmap? What's next?
Okay, way I see this industry, especially for the inspection equipment suppliers. I mean, all the companies have a good technology and a good points to promote their own product. The major uh, factor that we should concentrate is to how to provide the support afterwards.
Yeah.
So we keep communicating with our own. We keep communicating with our customers
Yeah.
in periodically to understand their needs and their plan and what they're struggling with, so we can provide a solution as quickly as possible. And also in HQ, we are focusing R&D to integrate the artificial intelligence for our software to have the more friendly and more stable software for
Mhm.
customer to improve their quality control process
Yeah.
as high as possible.
Okay. Okay, good. So you mean this part of research and development is right now one of the priorities that you have in HQ,
Mhm.
preparing the interface between hardware and software could be something like that to provide with better quality.
Yes, yes. Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also the like I mentioned, the AI, the artificial intelligence.
Yes.
That's one of the key point that we're really heavily focusing, and then trying to improve on that.
How you see that is a sustainable topic? Because
Mhm.
you know AI could be more trend topic, I
Mhm.
guess,
Mhm.
but when you bring that to the shop floor,
Mhm.
is a little bit different because you have to provide with different resources
Mhm.
to put that to work, provide them with really good data,
Mhm.
and in function of that, you're gonna have really good results, I guess, or
Mhm.
bad results. What do you think?
We already have a good result based on the field study, and then a lot of a customer already implementing our AI solution
Yeah.
to reduce the false alarms. And then we are approaching
Yeah.
our direction to do auto programming, which customers spends most of their time to
Yeah.
program their new product into our system. So by reducing that period, you will reduce the hassle for the customers to uh, easily
Yeah.
use our equipment.
The other day,
Mhm.
I heard, Kevin, that many companies are trying to implement AI, right?
Mhm.
But I'm coming again, to my last comment. The people think it's like to put ChatGPT, probably in the machine, and it's not like that.
Mhm.
You need to have a strong team in
Mhm.
your headquarters, could be,
Yes, yes.
or your team also
Mhm.
in support,
Mhm.
because they need to know and have this wide communication
Mhm.
to understand better what is the problem
Mhm.
and how they can solve something,
Mhm.
with these new technologies.
Yes, so we have contract. We have some agreement with the global customers to help us and to develop the AI feature.
Yeah.
So we're collecting the sample data, and then in our headquarters, uh, we have our own AI team
Yeah.
to study those sample results to increase our database structure.
Yeah.
So we were improving there, and then
Eh,
we already had good result from the customers.
yeah, exactly. And what about the result for the customers? Sometimes it's a little bit, how to say that, difficult to see the reality, right? Because
Uh-huh.
all the suppliers are talking about the same topics.
Mhm.
But if you have to talk more about three topics, which are differentiators about Pemtron,
Mhm.
what do you can say about it? What is the top trend?
In terms of AI, right?
Yeah, it could be AI or more about Pemtron, right?
Oh,
Why should I select Pemtron? Because I know you're very known in
uh-huh.
the industry.
Uh-huh.
I had this conversation with Jaime,
Mhm.
but what we want to
Mhm.
know is more about this part of service, of support,
Mhm.
because I know that is a really good. These relationships that you're building up with the customer are so bright, I guess.
Mhm.
So tell me more about it.
So our founder, obviously he's based in Korea, and then
Mhm.
he has a strong technology background. He used to be engineer over at R&D,
Mhm.
and he formed he established Pemtron when he was mid 30 years old. So he understands this industry a lot. So he gave us a good direction, which
Yeah.
product that we have to focus into a roadmap for the next 5 or 10 years.
Yeah.
And that's the one key thing. And then second is we have a very strong technology development
Mhm.
and for a new industry. So we have a very it's not popular. Honest, I'm sorry to say this. It's not really popular in Mexico yet.
Yeah.
But we have a new division for the semiconductor inspection system, which
Mhm.
is going really well. That's our another revenue generator.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's part of that. We understand that Mexico has other kind of business, but semiconductors is getting so
Big,
hot
yes,
right now.
yes,
Someday.
yes, yes.
So, Kevin, I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna keep with sustainability,
Mhm.
AI,
Mhm.
and all the improvements
Mhm.
that you are investing right now with your team of research and development.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
sir, thank you very much.
Uh-huh.
Welcome to Guadalajara.
Sure.
I expect you drink some tequila
I
and,
did.
and
Yes.
welcome.
It was good to be there
Sir,
yesterday.
thank you very much.
Okay.